Want to get the latest Namecheap coupon codes so that you can save the most money on your Namecheap purchase? Then this Namecheap promo code video is for you. In this Namecheap discount tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to get a Namecheap discount so you can save money on your Namecheap purchase. You want to start by clicking the link in the description below to get your Namecheap promo code discount. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Namecheap at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Namecheap discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Namecheap current promos and deals page. You get all the latest Namecheap current offers, saving you money on your Namecheap purchase. These Namecheap offers are updated every month. You can select the Namecheap coupon code discounts by category, such as all Namecheap services, domains, hosting, security, and apps. No matter what Namecheap services offer you want to save money on, you can get a great Namecheap discount. Find the Namecheap deal you want and click it. It'll then take you to the Namecheap service that you selected. It will either provide you with a Namecheap promo code to enter at checkout, or the Namecheap discount will automatically be applied. Enjoy the Namecheap discounts and deals. You've now successfully taken advantage of the Namecheap coupon codes and Namecheap promo codes offered, saving you money on the Namecheap service you purchase. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let me know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Namecheap hosting tutorial videos.